I want to let you know that I feel so good having one of the most successful bankers in this city all to myself. Do you know what that means? It means I will never go broke.
Really?
What about the loan I requested for?
Come on. Once I promise something, I'll make it happen. Trust me.
That's my baby girl. You're such a darling. Mwah. Mwah. Ah, you're the best. Tell me, how do you want it?
I think you should go upstairs.
Really? You should go upstairs?
Yes.
Oh, mwah. Hey! Who is she? Babe, how did you get in here? Babe, where did you come? Babe, honey, babe, no, babe, come, please.
What just happened here? No. Daniel! Daniel!
Babe, honey, what's she doing today? Honey. Shit. Let's go. Hey.
I'm sorry. You know I felt bad when I was going to that. I'm so sorry, please.
But after telling like a criminal, he slapped me. I only left because of the respect I have for your love.
I know. That's why I'm here. I'm sorry. You need to start picking my calls. Talk to you now.
You know him.
She's fine. But she's worried about me. She wants to see me. You start picking my calls.
I don't know.
Daniel, what's going on? What is wrong with you?
A lot.
You don't call me. I have been calling you. You've not been taking my calls.
A lot has been going on lately.
Tell me, baby. What's wrong?
Listen. You're still a student. I don't want to get you distracted with my personal issues, okay?
Try me. Please.
My business is going down because the goods I ordered have been seized. I have used almost all my money to bribe these people, yet they refused to release those goods. These goods' worth is over 60 million naira.
Whoa. That's a huge sum of money.
Yeah.
What are you going to do about it?
Like I said, I have spent all my life savings. I came up with the idea of using my car as collateral to raise the sum of 550,000 naira or more.
Don't do that. I mean, to give up your car for just 550,000 naira.
I don't have a choice.
I think I can help. I can give you the money. But you have to give it back as soon as you have it.
Is this a joke or something? Where on earth will you get that kind of money from? You're just a student.
I know, my love. My dad just sent my school fees and my monthly allowance. So, I'm going to give you the money. Besides, I can raise my school fees before examination.
This sounds like a dream. You're the last person I expected to come through for me.
It's alright. I miss you, baby.
I miss you more.
My darling. Oh.
I think we should go upstairs. Let me give you what you deserve.
Of course, I miss it. My baby.
If you got the money, come and bring it now. Love will make you vulnerable. It's gonna make you fall in love. Before you know it, you're gonna see tears running down your cheek. Here is a smooth scream.
Hold on, babe. Was that why you missed the first lecture? See, babe, you made a very big mistake. Why would you give him your school fees?
Babes, this guy almost cried before me. Ha! I can't just watch a grown man cry because of his predicament. Besides, I love him. And he promised to pay back. And you know, if you want something from a guy, you should be able to make him trust you well enough.
But babe, you know, that wasn't the plan now. You don't fuck up. Eh?
I know. I just can't help it. I don't know. I just find myself in love with this guy.
Love, love, love. This love.
Love a girl.
Sha? I just pray you recover the money before exam starts.
What do you want and how did you find me?
I had to. I'm here because I have a proposal for you. I realize that you're poor and struggling to survive. I want to offer you 5 million naira to stay away from a man.
Thank you. Thank you so much for that proposal. Well, it's not necessary. I don't want it. How desperate can you be? For a woman? Really? You don't need to be so desperate. No man will want to be with a woman that's this desperate. But who am I to judge you? I have no right to judge you, so I'm not going to judge you. But the fact is, thank you, but no, thank you. I don't need your money. You can give it to the beggars out there. I'm just very comfortable in my own skin. And as for Daniel, he belongs in my past. And there he will remain. You both are birds of a feather, and you deserve to flock together. So yes, you deserve each other. If you don't mind, I was busy before you came. Oh, you could as well join me. Let's read the Bible together. Jesus is all the man that you need. I'm serious. Whatever.
Dan, I think this time around you really messed up. Eh? Ijoma is feeling hot there. I've never seen her in such mood before, but this time around she has refused to see you. Dan, let me ask you, how long will it take you to stop hurting her feelings? For goodness sake. You need to stop all this life. Either you choose between her and your way of life. Dan, you've made enough money from these women. What is the problem? Why not focus on your woman? My God.
You will not understand.
It is you who will not understand. Yes. You don't know the trauma she's going through there. She's suffering all because of you, Daniel.
Listen, Amaka. I want you to tell Ijoma I have made up my mind to let these women go. But I need time to sort things out, okay?
Okay. If he says so, I'll talk to her about it. But promise me you are not going back to this your way of life. Oh. Hope you're not going back. Okay, no problem. Let me just run around. But please, eh?
Babes,
Yeah?
I'm surprised you're still with him. That guy knows how to spend on you. But to give you cash, no way. What are you still doing with him?
That's because I love him. I don't know why, but I just love this guy. I love him.
Love. Since you started dating him, you haven't gotten a dime from him. He keeps collecting from you. And you're talking about love here.
My darling, love is given. Doesn't matter who is giving. I beg, don't talk better thing.
Lover girl.
I'm not a lover girl.
You are. You're a lover girl.
Sweet aroma. You must be a great cook.
Great. I can't say great, but I believe I will get a pass.
Okay. So tell me, how can a handsome young man like you be staying in these apartments alone? Don't you have a girlfriend? Or are you a player?
Well, my darling, I have not been lucky with girls. So that's that.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Like I told you when we met, that you will be a perfect distraction.
Yes, he said it.
But I hope you're going to be different.
I can't promise you that.
I see.
Honey, what is it? You're looking so lost and gloomy. Please, honey, talk to me now. Honey. Honey, please talk to me. Honey, please, your silence is killing me. Please talk to me. What is this?
I have been sacked. Not just that, They said they will not pay me this month's salary. Just because of a little mistake. Just a little mistake.
This is unacceptable. How can they do this to you after all your sacrifices? And you know what? We have to take legal action against them. Wait. Were they expecting you to sacrifice your daughter? I mean, our daughter for them? No, honey, we can't take this.
Can you just stop? Stop this. Stop.
Honey, how can you expect me to keep quiet? Honey, this is unjust. This is unfair now.
Can you just keep quiet?
Honey, I can't.
Stop blaming them, please. It is not their fault. Right?
What goes around must come around. Doesn't matter how long it's gonna take. Karma is a bitch. What goes around must come around. There's definitely a day for payback. A payback for your sins. Whoa. And there is always a payback. It's always find its way to you. Hey, be careful how you treat people. Whoa. And there is always a payback. It's always find its way to you. Hey, so you got to treat people right. Whoa. Yeah.
What happened? Nothing actually. It's a good thing you decided to come by this time. I would really use your company.
Are you sure you're happy to say that?
Yes, I am. You're welcome. So, what did you bring for me?
My son.
Exactly what I want to.
Hey, what's the problem?
Why are you moody? Talk to me now.
Listen, honey, I don't want to bother you with my personal issues, okay?
Personal issues? I thought we were one. What has gotten over you? I thought you missed me just as I've missed you. But I came in here since yesterday. You've been acting somehow. What's it?
Listen, I don't want to bug you with this. But if you insist, fine. It has to do with my goose.
Your goose?
Yes.
What about your goose?
The custom officer seized my goose.
Why?
I don't know. I've been doing everything humanly possible to make them release my goose, but they refused after taking millions from me. And now, I've gone broke. I'm looking on how to raise more money, you know?
Is that why you're moody?
Do you know how much that goose worth? We're talking about over 60 million naira.
That's not a problem.
What?
Don't worry. Just relax yourself. We'll sort it out.
Sort it out.
Except if there's anything aside from the goose. Hope it's not another girl.
Oh no. Must everything revolve around girls?
Then cheer up. We'll sort it out. You know, be the baby that I want you to be.
It's alright. Let's just go inside.
Tell me you love me.
What is wrong with you? I thought we'll sort it out.
Okay, fine, come.
Your breath like a smooth criminal. If you got the money, come and bring it now. Love will make you vulnerable. It's gonna make you fall in love. Before you know it, you're gonna see tears running down your
Babes. I'll be going to see Daniel today.
Um, that reminds me. I was about asking you about him. You guys are no longer talking. Or are you guys having issues?
No, not at all. The last time we spoke, he said something about traveling for a business trip. But it's almost a month now. Daniel hasn't called me nor picked my calls.
A month now. Babes. Let it not be that this guy is a scammer. Make it not be say this guy don't chop your money clean mouth too. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
He can't do that. He better not try it. Else, he will have me to deal with.
Um, let's go to his house now. Let's see the excuses he has this time. Mhm.
Yeah, that's fine.
Before you know it, you gonna see tears running down your cheek. He is a smooth criminal, and he is good at what he do. He is just a player. It doesn't have what it takes to fall in love. He is a player.
Excuse me? Who are you?
My name is Tasha. I am Daniel's girlfriend. By the way, who the hell are you?
I'm Juliet, and this is my boyfriend's house.
Really?
Of course, really.
Your boyfriend's house.
Of course.
Okay, that's fine. So where is he? I mean, Daniel.
He went to the bank.
Oh, whoa. He went to the bank.
Of course.
I guess to withdraw the money that you gave him. So what lie did he tell you? Because he told me that his goods were seized and he needed some money to clear them. I guess he told you the same lie. Well, that's fine, girlfriend. I'll be leaving. But tell Daniel to wait for me. Because I am coming to hunt him down. Excuse me.
If you got the money, come and bring it now. Love will make you vulnerable. It's gonna make you fall in love. Before you know it, you gonna see tears running down your cheek. He is a smooth criminal, and he is good at what he do. He is just a player.
What is it?
The money you just withdrew on my card. Hey,
What's happening? What's the meaning of this?
Dana, you are a thief. But you know what? You messed with the wrong girl. Oh, you're giving me that face. You want to know what's going on? Well, let me break the egg. Your girlfriend Tasha was here. And she told me all your little secret of how you scam girls, telling them about your goods being seized. But you know what? I'm not in for that. Just give me my money. Let me go. First. Oh, now you're coughing.
It's okay. Here's your ATM card. As for the money, I've spent it.
You stupid. Are you a bastard? You think I'm one of those your bitches? Then I give me my money right now.
What did you just do?
I slapped and I will slap you again.
You have the guts to lay off. What did you just do?
I will slap you again.
Get out! Get out!
Daniel! Bastard. You know what? I'll come back for you.
Hello, Daniel. I believe you've received my message. Keep my money for me if you don't want me to destroy that cute face of yours with an acid.
Hi, baby. You miss me?
Hey, stay there. Wait, wait. My friend, will you stand up? What are you doing here?
What? You hurt me with your words. Don't tell me you don't miss me. Look, I miss you. That is why I'm here. Okay?
Hey, listen. You haven't answered my question. What have you come here to do?
Are you asking me to stop coming to your house?
Hey.
Oh, I see. It's because of this high-coated peacock. You want to ditch me off?
Daniel, I thought you told me it was over between you both. What's this asinine creature still doing here?
Honey, she missed her way. And she was already on her way out. Isn't it? So get out.
I go nowhere. You think you can ditch me off because of this thing? This thing? This fatuous, sanctimonious imbecile. You are a fat liar. I go nowhere.
Daniel, sort it out, please.
Hey.
What enough?
You? I'll have to throw this fatuous, sanctimonious imbecile out of this house. So please, get out.
I go nowhere.
I said, get out. Are you deaf? I said you should
I go nowhere! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Get out.
Get out! Get out!
Honey, I am sorry about that, okay?
She is such a drama queen. Tell me, how did such a handsome young champ like yourself end up with such a lunatic? I mean, factious, sanctimonious, imbecile? Really? Daniel, you should do better.
Yeah, I know. I guess I was hypnotized or something.
Really? Please, come on. I love you.
And I love you more.
Really?
Yeah.
Not just sanctimonious?
Hey! Young lady, come on.
Old lady, I'm here.
I believe by now you're feeling on top of the world. But let me tell you something. It is not over yet. Because I will not allow you to take my man from me.
Your man? The way you claim possession of him, one would think you both are already married or perhaps even engaged. Come on, girl. Where's your pride as a woman? Where's your African dignity?
Oh, shut up. You dimwit. What do you know about dignity? Oh, you speak of dignity when you're busy throwing yourself in and out of my man's bed. Oh God, I thought royalties are supposed to remain virgin until they're married. How many abortions have you done for him?
You know what? You should wash your mouth. Not everyone is like you, darling. Come on. And for the records, take your pedestrian self out of my shop, okay?
How dare you insult me? Get your dirty hand off me now.
I would say that I wouldn't waste my breath on you, but no, I would like to waste it. Let this be the last time you will ever raise this filthy hands to me. Get out of this place, because the next time you come here, I won't ask for permission before I do it. Get out. Leave this place.
It is not over yet.
I said leave this place. If you do not leave, if I go in there and come back, what will happen to you will be on your own head.
It is not over yet.
How did you even employ these idiots in the band with such hair and less class?
No, make you check her. Eh? Why did they block me? Did he do the right thing? Eh? Why did he block me? That's what I'm asking.
I know, it wasn't right. It wasn't right at all. But then you made your point by beating him up. One in the chill, forget about that guy. It's the soup and drink. Forget it.
Who's this? Who's going to pay for all these things that we're eating? I don't have money.
Was I not the one that called it command? Was I not the one that called it command? Come on, bro. It's all. Call it if you want something else.
Thank you so much. It's so hard to find nice people now. I can buy people.
My guy, it's not. Just chill. I don't want to get angry back.
Thank you, like I said. Very good for that. Just come and buy food for a random person. I know this girl. Her name is Hannah. I know her a long time. She your girlfriend?
It's not. She's dead.
Jesus Christ! What? Hannah is dead? How?
She was killed by a hit-and-run driver.
Hit-and-run driver? My goodness! Since when?
19 months ago. Her body almost rocked in the mortuary. Well, I happen to know the doctor that handled the case.
Jesus Christ. Hannah!
Nurse,
Sir.
has anyone come to identify with the patient?
Not yet, sir. Nobody has identified with the dead patient yet. What should we do about it?
She was a human before the accident. As you know, in this hospital, we accord respect to humans, whether dead or alive. The news about her death has been placed on different blog sites. Hopefully, someone might come across the news. Who knows? Maybe someone will come pick her up.
Okay, no problem, sir.
You know, it's so nice hanging out with you. Thank you so much. You made my day.
It's alright. It's okay. I have to run now. But I hope to see you some other time.
Oh, sure. Why not? I mean, I have your number now, so I'll call you.
It's okay. You're free to call. Alright? Nice
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I have to do this because of the cry and the prayers of your mother.
Do you know my mother?
Yes, I know her. I also know how you coerced the girl, Hannah, into sleeping with you. You got her pregnant. And when she called you, you warned her not to call your number again. Out of frustration, she was killed by a hit-and-run driver.
Hey! What nonsense are you talking about? Huh? Are you trying to tell me that I killed her?
Yes, you did. You killed her. Well, she's taking her revenge on you now. She is the woman you are married to currently. When you get home, bend down and look under your legs. You will see the truth.
What are you talking?
What goes around must come around. Doesn't matter how long it's gonna take. Karma is a bitch. Whoa. Yeah. What goes around must come around. Doesn't matter how long it's gonna take. Karma is a bitch. What goes around must come around. There's definitely a day for paper. I'll pay back for your sins. Whoa, there is.
You must have 9 lives to have survived. That you survived the bullet is still a miracle to me. Anyways, the police will see you now.
Okay, that's fine, but tell them I'll be right out. I need a minute with him.
But he's still asleep.
I know, doctor, but please, can you just excuse me? Give me a moment.
It's all right, please excuse me now.
Daniel, it's high time you stop. This is enough. Okay? Can you stop? Do you need to lose your life in this process for you to stop?
What goes around must come around. Doesn't matter how long it's gonna take. Karma is a bitch.
So, George, how did it go?
What goes around?
Very smooth. He's now having lunch with his ancestors.
Are you telling me that you guys did a clean job and the police will not be able to trace anything to me?
Trace? Yeah. I am called the invisible. No one can see my face. Unless they already detect people with their hands. Trust me. Clean job.
Good one.
Yeah.
Let me give you your balance.
Perfect. Have a nice day.
I know you. Your sins. Ooh, there is always a payback. It's always find its way to you. Hey, be careful how you treat people. Ooh, there is always a payback. It's always find its way to you. Hey, so you got to treat people right. Whoa.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay, you're alive. That's what matters.
I know. I know I have failed you in many ways. And this is the result of me being stubborn. Please.
Sorry.
Find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Hey, come on. Relax. What matters is I'm here now and you're okay. Just stay alive, okay? Stay alive. Do you want water? Anything? I'm thankful to God for answering my prayers and granting you speedy recovery. That being said, I have to leave now. And please do not ever come looking for me again, okay?
Babe. I am so sorry. Please don't go. I promise. I will change. If I ever fail you again, you can leave for real.
Daniel, no. No, not this time. You say the same thing over and over again. And like a dog, you go back to your vomit. Not this time, Daniel. I'm done for good. Sorry. Sorry.
Thank you. I promise I will change. I'm not going back to my vomit. Please, I promise. Don't go. I need you, please. I'm sorry. Please.
Fine. But you won't have it easy this time. Since you've agreed to change, then I have my own conditions.
Okay.
Firstly, you have to be born again. Is there a problem with that?
Not really. Okay. I am born again from today.
Secondly, you have to invite all those ladies.
What? Oh, shit.
Sorry.
Sorry. Sorry. Daniel, you have to invite them. Tell them all you've been doing with them. And you return every single thing they've given to you.
This.
Daniel, no excuses. And I would also like you to start going to church from now on. You know what?
Anything for you, I will do it.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
And I want you to know that I am so sorry about everything. I love you. I love you so much. Sorry.
I'll see you later, Daniel.
What goes around must come around. Doesn't matter how long it's gonna take. Karma is a bitch. What goes around must come around. There's definitely a day for payback. I'll pay back for your sins. Whoa, there is always a payback. It's always when it's with you. Hey, be careful how you treat people. Whoa, there is always a payback. It's always when it's with you. Hey, so you got to treat people right.
Mama, I'm telling you that the person I saw is Elvis. I saw him with my 2 naked eyes. He's mad.
God forbid. I reject it in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
I reject it. My Elvis can never be mad.
Amen.
It's not his portion. He can never be mad. I reject it. God forbid. Ha!
Wait, are you sure of what you just said? That my brother is mad?
If I'm sure.
Yes.
Okay, if you don't believe me, let's go together. So that you confirm.
Mama, we need to go and check. Let's go and confirm whether it's true or not. Because I don't believe what he's saying. No, my brother cannot be mad.
Where is he now? You say you saw. I told you my son is not the one you saw. My God will never allow such thing to befall him. Never.
Mama, this is where I saw him last.
Where?
Here, like this, here.
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 Anayo, please. Biko, I told you he's not my son. He's not Elvis,
Mama,
my
I
son.
cannot lie now. I cannot lie.
Then
I saw him with my 2 naked eyes. Here.
Anayo, are you sure? Are you sure? It was my brother you saw.
So I don't know Brother Elvis again. Brother Elvis that slapped me. I don't know him again.
Then where is he now?
Anayo, please, Biko. I don't want BP. Biko. Biko, let's go. What did this to you, Elvis? Kezo ye mere ki ya, eh? Biko, na Biko, please. Oh, does it blow with Elvis?
Stop crying now. You stop crying.
God, why? God, why?
Stop crying now. If you stop crying, you stop.
I invited each and every one of you here because I have something important to tell you. First of all, for the record, I never loved any one of you.
Daniel, I know that you're a thief. And if you don't give me my money today, heaven will fall on us.
Will you allow him finish?
After graduating from the university, I searched for work for many years. At some point, I lost hope. And that was the period I met Dorothy. Dorothy made me realize that if I make several women to love me or like me, in the process, I might start extorting money from them. So the whole thing became very lucrative, and that was when I ventured into this lifestyle, just to make it in life. So please, it wasn't my fault. I take responsibility for all my irresponsible actions. But we must also blame the government. If they had done what they promised us, the youth, most of us wouldn't have ventured into an abominable act. So please, I am so sorry for everything I did to each and every one of you. And with the help of Ijoma here, my girlfriend, I am now a changed person. I have given my life to our Lord Jesus Christ. And I urge each and every one of you to do the same thing, because in God, there is peace of mind. And only God can give you blessings without sorrows.
Anyways, I don't know what to say. Daniel, I loved you. And I thought we would end up together. But it's all good. At least you taught me how to be good to others. Before now, I don't know how it feels to be good to others. I am heartbroken. Thank you. Everything I did for you was from my heart. Ijoma, Daniel loves you so much. Please, make sure you don't leave him for another woman. Look, he cries like a baby. Whenever we are together, he couldn't hide it, all because of you.
Thank you. God bless you for being a kind-hearted person. I appreciate. Clara, I will be leaving the house today.
Oh no. There's no need for that. The rent continues in the next 3 years, so you can continue to stay here. Do you remember the advice I gave you the other time? Look for something good to do for yourself. The woman sitting next to you is a good woman. If you marry her, it will be a great gain for you.
Thank you.
Well, I'm sorry. I can't marry him. Daniel and I are not on the same spiritual path. He's had too many entanglements with all of you. I'm sorry, Daniel. The only reason I stayed with you at the hospital was for humanity's sake. And I wanted you to learn. Right now, this is a journey you have to take on your own. You need to find yourself by yourself. This is where it ends for us, Daniel. And I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry.
Babe.
Dan, if she's not marrying you, that means you have to return all that I've given to you.
Well, same here, Daniel. You've made your choice, and now it's time for us to make ours. So you have to return every single dime I gave to you. My money must be complete right away.
Daniel, heaven knows that I'm not living here without my money. And that's on period.
Anyways, I don't know what you girls are talking about. Bottom line is that this man here is a fraudster and he has to be arrested to pay for his crime. Rubbish. Good riddance to bad nonsense.
You had me.
At this point, Daniel, it's your loss. Excuse me.
Take care of yourself, Daniel.
So now, lover boy, cash, card, or transfer. You can see you are left with nobody. You are a loser. Just you alone, loser. And you know what? I'm not stepping an inch until you return all my money right away.
Me too, Daniel. You have to pay my money right here and right now.